القرآن للذكر فهل من مدكر.
Alhamdulillah wa salatu wa salam ala rasulillah, and welcome to this video. In this video you will be learning about how to pronounce the Tanween, the Fathatain, Kasratain or Dhammatain with the letters. Now once again, the alif is not something which is mutaharrik, something which has a haraka on it. So we will continue from the ba down to the ba to the ya. Now we will start with the alif, the fathatain, and remember there's an alif that comes after the fathatain as indicated in these examples, and with the kasratain and the dhammatain. Remember, repeat with me, and inshallah you will learn how to pronounce these letters. So the ba is ben, 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 bin, 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 bun, bun, bun. The ta is ten, 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 tin, 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 tun, 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 than, 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 thin, 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 thun, thun, thun. The jim, jan, 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 jin, 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 jun, jun, jun. Next page inshallah. Han, 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 hin, 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 hun, 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 khon, 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 khin, 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 khun, khun, khun. Then, din, 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 dun, dun, dun. Then, 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 dhun, 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 run, 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 rin, 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 run, run, run. Just before we continue, if you notice here, the ha and the kha can be connected to the word that comes, the letter that comes afterwards. So you can see the alif is connected. But here's an example where, for example, da, da, ra, ra, and the next one zay, they cannot be connected to that which comes afterwards. So we can see the alif stands by itself. Let's continue with the practice, inshallah. Zan, 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 zin, 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 zun, 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 sen, 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 sin, 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 sun, 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 shen, 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 shin, 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 shun, 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 sun, 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 sin, 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 sun, 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 bun, 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 bin, 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 bun, 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 pun, 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 tin, 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 tun, 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 one, 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 win, 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 wun, 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 an, 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 عين, 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 عن, 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 one. Remember this heaviness with the wine and other letters. One, one, غين, غين, غين. From the kasra with the kasratain is slightly lighter. One, one, one. The dhammatain is like a middle way. Fan, 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 fin, 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 fun, 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 qan, qin, qun, qan, qin, qun, qan, qin, qun. Remember, say it with me. Make sure you start and stop exactly with the video. Ken, kin, kun, ken, kin, kun, ken, kin, kun. Remember with the lam, when there's an alif afterwards, because there's an alif because of the tanween, it looks like this. Lan, lin, lun, lan, lin, lun, lan, lin, lun, men, 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 min, 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 mun, mun, mun. Or the noon, there's a noon to start, there's a noon to finish with this one. Nan, nin, nun, nen, nin, nun, nen, nin, nun. Next page. When, win, wun, when, win, wun, when, win, wun, hen, hin, hun, hen, hin, hun. And with the hamza, an, in, un, an, in, un, an, in, un. And finally with the ya, yen, yin, yun, yen, yin, yun, yen, yin, yun. You should practice these by yourself and also with the video to ensure that you're saying it exactly like it's pronounced in the video. Now, just before you go on, this is one of the exercises that you will see. So you can see, for example, that the kasratain has been put there, sorry, the tanweens have been put at the end of the words as they would only occur at the end of the words. And you can see, so this is another way of how the lam is written with the alif. And this normally occurs at the end of a word. So when the lam occurs at the end of the word, it normally occurs like this, but it can also occur like this. You have to just learn the different ways of how the lam appears, and inshallah you will get used to this. Just a quick word about certain words here. This is called a shadda. So this word here is sijjinun, sijjinun, sijjinun. And this one is ashihatan, ashihatan, ashihatan. And is mukarramatin, mukarramatin, mukarramatin. So this occurs. I've added a couple of these because the next lesson will be about shadda and you will learn about these. So this is dhurriyatun, dhurriyatun, dhurriyatun. So this will just give you an introduction into those letters, into the diacritic sound.
Salam Alykum. Be sure to download your free implementation workbook. We go through it step by step. All the videos correspond with it. We have laid it out very strategically so you can master Quranic Tajweed and Quranic Mastery and implement it while you go along. Okay, so be sure to download this and it will help you on your journey. It's free to download. The link should be in the description. Salam Alykum. If you enjoyed this video, guys, please like this video so we know you enjoy it as we can make more. Please write a comment and tell us what you thought about the lesson. And don't forget to subscribe. Subscribe now. Jazakallah. Assalamu alaikum.